I'm William Schneider, and I wanted to talk with you about my palette today. And what I have is a piece of gray pastel paper, actually, and it's covered with glass. And I put my paint on there. But here's the important thing. At the end of the day, I take my extra paint and put it in little piles, and then I cover the paint with this industrial strength saran wrap, food wrap. You can order this stuff online or get it at Sam's Club, but the key is that this prevents oxygen, or it slows it down from getting to the paint. When paint dries, it's actually oxygen that bonds with the paint itself and creates a film. So by doing that, this paint will stay wet for 2 or 3 days. And that's significant because if I have to try to mix paint and match it, oil paint has this nasty habit of changing value when it dries out, and so it makes it almost impossible to match. But if I've got the same piles of paint that I used the first day, of course it's a perfect match. So just a little trick of the trade. Hope that helps. Thank you.